Number 9. Racing just is started with Amazon rushing everybody else. That is man of honor in between horses. Lady Liam. The next online is Gold Caviar. Rebel Day comes next, while Amazon is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first turn with man of honor says, why we follow deep, we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Lady Liam in second. Gold Caviar is running by the rail, moving upon the outside now is number 1, and this one is Rebel Day. Back to the leader, we have man of honor. Amazon moving up down on the inside is Gold Caviar. Rebel Day comes next. Lady Liam, while Sonnet is still racing in less than a 4 turn. Man of honor moving up is Gold Caviar, and on the outside comes Amazon. Rebel Day, Lady Liam, while Sonnet is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Gold Caviar now takes command. Man of honor, and on the outside is Amazon. Last 100 meters, we have Gold Caviar, man of honor, and on the outside comes Amazon. Gold Caviar by about 2 lengths, and finally it's Gold Caviar. The second is Amazon, then comes man of honor, Rebel Day, Lady Liam, and Zanet.
Okay, bayang karibista para dito sa ating race number 9. Ang official winner dito, numero 2, Gold Caviar with ED Camel.